Well, first off, let's throw some disclaimers out, right? Let's set the stage for everyone. First off, I think generally on the margin, you have been more correct in being skeptical about this than I think most of the online zeitgeist. I think of when you hear people hyping the latest AI thing, I think there's a lot more people in your boat who are trying to figure this out earnestly. Like they really want to figure this out and they're trying and it's not really clicking yet. So I think there's a lot of people in the chat who are trying to figure this out and they're in the same boat. So we're going to go in with that mindset.
Okay.
Something might not work, and then we're all going to learn from it together, which is the fun part.
Okay, well, that's very, very. I mean, that's nice to hear because I think that, and this is the hard part about being like chronically online, is that you don't really know the veracity of the person who's speaking. You just simply see a Twitter profile, and some of them have really high credentials. Like I think one of the biggest, one of the people that have most significantly misrepresented my current experience is whatever that rep guy is from Google that's just like everybody's an artist now, everybody's an engineer. Oh, it's just the end. Nobody will hand program by the end of 2020. And you're just like, man, my experience is so much different. What am I missing? So
Yeah.
I must be the failure is kind of how I've taken a lot of these things because that's how it feels. Is that I'm the bad guy in this situation. I'm the killer inside the house because it just feels like, oh, I'm actually the incapable one and I'm the one defrauding everybody of their future because I'm telling them it's not that big. It's not as big or it's not as powerful as people are claiming.
And it doesn't help that it feels like every time you go online, there's this never-ending conversation of like, oh, it's so over. All software engineering jobs are gone. Like, if you don't learn this right now, you're not going to make it. Like, just quit while you're ahead. Like, if you don't spend $1 trillion on AI, like, you're doomed. And I think it just sets the wrong. I hope that doesn't scare people from learning software engineering, learning computer science now, because that would be very bad. Like, you can't just delegate all your thinking to the AI and let it figure out things for you. Like, in my opinion, now is a better time than ever to actually go back to the fundamentals. Like, if you don't know the data structures, it's going to be kind of hard when you get stuck into some of these situations. You can't vibe your way out of that. So hopefully today we can do a little vibing, but also lean on what you have, which is very important, which is a good understanding of the foundations so you can out vibe your way, unvibe, basically.
Okay. That's a very different message than I think a lot of people. And I do want to speak to that last part, which is I cannot tell you how many personal messages I've received of people saying, no, I've quit or I'm quitting because there's no point, all this kind of stuff. Can you you have to prove to me otherwise why I shouldn't quit? Because it's very hard when CEOs say things because they are the ones in charge of billions of dollars and I'm just some dude on the internet yelling from South Dakota. I'm not even in the Bay, okay? I'm not even in the where it's happening, okay? I'm like Eduardo on the social network. I'm way off in nowhere, no man's land.
Hey, we're holding it down from the Midwest. So
okay,
here we are.